If you've been caught in a cycle of negative self-talk, I'm really glad you're here today. Constantly putting yourself down or doubting your abilities can be draining and discouraging. But the good news is it's possible to break free from these patterns. So today we're going to release some of that negativity and give your mind the space to think more kindly about you, which you deserve. And you can see in the description box for articles on the science and the studies on how this works. For now, check in with yourself on a scale from 1 to 10 when it comes to how easily you can get down on yourself, and then we'll see where you are in that 1 to 10 after the tapping. Focus on any negative thoughts or beliefs or memories that surface as we tap, and just let them process and float on through. And if you get overwhelmed, just keep breathing, keep tapping, and when you can, repeat after me again. So tap with, repeat after me. Even though I have this negative self-talk running through my mind, I choose to accept myself. Even though I often think I'm not good enough or capable, I honor how I feel. Even though my inner voice is on a constant negative feedback loop, I fully and completely love and accept myself. Even though I criticize myself harshly constantly, I deeply and completely accept myself. I keep telling myself I'm not good enough. I feel like I'm always falling short of my own expectations. Never mind anyone else, I can't stop being hard on myself. Somehow I believe I'm not worthy of success or happiness. I'm constantly disappointing myself. At least that's how it feels. This negative self-talk is exhausting, and I just want it to stop. So I'm releasing all this self-criticism now. I'm letting go of the belief that I'm not enough. All the trauma, tension, anger, fear, dropping it here, letting it go. The shame and guilt of not reaching my own expectations, releasing it here. Letting go of all the pressure on myself to be perfect. I choose to release all this negativity now. All this negative self-talk, this whole habit, I drop it, I let it go. I choose to be kind to myself instead. I deserve love and acceptance and compassion from myself. I'm learning to be more gentle and understanding of myself. It's okay to make mistakes. They don't define me. I'm worthy of all the good things life has to offer. Even if I'm not perfect, I choose to love and respect myself. No one's perfect. So I give myself permission to be imperfect. I learn to appreciate my strengths and embrace my weaknesses. I am deserving of love, success, and happiness. I'm becoming more kind and compassionate towards myself every day. I drop all the negative self-talk now. and I look forward to life without it. I begin to correct myself gently, kindly, with love. I fully and completely love and accept myself, flaws and all. I observe my negative self-talk now with compassion and correct it gently. I am worthy. Every day I treat myself more kindly. Every day the knowing of my own worthiness grows. No matter what's happened, I speak to myself kindly now. Take a deep breath, see where you are on that 1 to 10 scale. And if you're still struggling with negative self-talk, it's okay, keep tapping. It can take a little bit of time to retrain your mind, but you're making progress just by being here. And tapping once or twice a day can create major changes in just a first few sessions, and then permanently rewrite those negative neural pathways into positive ones in just a matter of weeks. Again, see the description box for some article science on how this is happening. So be patient with yourself. Know that change is happening. You are certainly worthy of speaking to yourself with love and kindness, just like you would expect someone else to, or you would hopefully speak to somebody else, right? So, of course, I'm glad to see you here. Your support means a lot to me. Your comments, and it's been really fun, as people have reached out and told me what they're struggling with and what they would like to break free from. And negative self-talk seems to be behind a lot of the issues that we have and a lot of the things that we do, whether it's weight gain or we can't stop smoking, or I can't seem to connect with other people, or I won't let myself do more, whatever it is, more hobbies. It's because we have this negative constant feed about ourselves and what we're not getting right, and you're not going to be good at it anyway, or this or that. Just tell that inner voice, and the more that we can do this and get that negative feedback to come down, then it's easier to zone in on specific issues, because a lot of the other ones begin to fall away. If there's something very specific that you say to yourself that just you can't seem to break, reach out, let me know, shoot me an email or drop me a comment, and so I will see you in the next session. I hope you have a great day. Later.